like you can see fireworks all the way over there.
I think that's at Anthony's right there.
Yeah.
Wait, why is there fireworks over there? Mom, why is there fireworks over there? Mom. Mom, why is there fireworks over there?
But everybody likes fireworks.
Hey, baby.
You gotta be at my birthday.
I'm gonna be at your birthday.
Yeah.
I will.
Oh.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, right.
And he I think he wanted to act like he was when we were walking out. He was like, "Where's that?"
Okay, that was crazy. Yo. Oh.
Yeah, and the fucking baby.
Yo, that's bad.
I had first met Pop, and he had parked his Cadillac back there with the horses, and the horses chewed the leather off the fucking back of the Cadillac. Oh my God! Skylar was just a baby.
Today is Independence Day.
I know.
Today is the day of our independence.
Not much has changed.
Is the USA now like 246 years old? Probably.
The one was sitting on top.
I think it's like 250 now. Mom, do you think the fireworks are even done?
Been much of anything.
Much of what?
Look, Braylon, you see those two planes up there? All the way in the sky, see them?
I think it's almost over. I think they're gonna do the grand finale.
I know, from a plane view, like, that'd be cool.
I guess I am gonna buy at least one case of mortars. I want to shoot a couple towards Ryan's house.
Hey, I think the fireworks are going to the grand finale. Maybe.
It's dry out. It's dry out.
Watch him come down on Brandon's birthday, try to talk to everybody. Oh God.
I'd let him. You know that.
Well, I did invite the next door neighbor. He's coming to my birthday.
He's not allowed to come.
Yeah, he's not allowed.
The next door neighbor is not.
Yeah, next door neighbor is not invited. But Daddy, you better not bring him to my birthday.
Okay.
Or I'll
Yeah, I think it's reaching the grand finale. Oh.
I like that little one in Martinsburg or the little one right there in Jacksonville.
I always go to Inwood and go down there to the right by the Truist Man. That's the guy today I used to get him in Virginia, right there about Watermelon Park, about 7. That guy, he just...
I think the fireworks are almost over.
I get out August 27th.
Where are you going after?
In Oxford House, right down the street on Cameron Street.
Wait, what are you in?
I'm in a halfway house.
Why do you have to be in that?
Because Mommy doesn't know how to act without structure.
In August 27th, you're gonna move?
To another house. Mm-hmm.
Why is she up at the place on the hill? I thought, her and Gus went to that. I said they're there. Is that a class?
Yeah.
A class for what?
I mean,
Strasburg just
Or maybe I'm gonna drive with a limo.
a limo? We need to get one of them.
Yeah.
What are the Hummer limos?
No.
No, a regular one.
Destin, Mom, when are the fireworks gonna end? They've been going on for like 17 minutes. Oh, it's reaching the grand finale.
Black screen.
It stopped.
Mm-hmm.
Reagan Baker.
Alright, that's
What somebody would do and set a piece of plywood out here and start it. Boom, 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 boom.
We'll probably get kicked out.
Oh, that would be worth doing. We'd do it like a show back in the day.
I just
man.
like one to throw it.
Have one sitting here, one sitting there, and then one person right there is all.
I don't want to take anything.
I don't know if it was last year or the year before, but I lit one and threw it at Chris. Yeah. You should have seen him trying to run.
because the fireworks are almost over. Oh yeah, I think they're over. We better not get ran over. Well, that's bad.
Shoot, at this distance, we'd be just as good at Granddad and Grandma's house.
Yeah, I got it.
When are the fireworks gonna end? They've been going on for 20 minutes.
These really are the slowest.
We're not here by ourselves. Look how many people are here. Oh. I know, so keep on going.
Here for 20 minutes.
We gotta be home by what, 11?
Yeah, but there's gonna be a wreck on 277.